crashed my bike. Okay. Meet up with the boys in Eatonville. We're on our way to Portland. This is Madison. Say what's up, Madison.
Hello,
Madison. Ian just stole my motorcycle. He's the other guy on a Honda CB750. There's my beautiful bike right there. It looks freaking awesome seeing a person on it. That's a good looking bike. So that's Ian. That's his Honda CB750. And we're about to get on the road again and I think go to Mount St. Helens, something like that, on the way to Portland. Where the heck are we? We're, I don't know what town we're in, but we're in the mountains. It is freaking beautiful out here. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you stick around and stay with us on our journey to Portland. What's that?
Are you guys still going like 80 or is that too like windy?
No, it's fine. Or how do you feel? Yeah.
What?
How do you, like, is the speed that Madison's doing fine? Okay. Cool.
Hands are getting a little
shaky. Yeah. Man, you need to freaking tune that bike. We'll talk about it later. I was telling Ian he needs to tune his bike because, man, it's slow when we're going to pass cars, or he's not downshifting. I would assume he knows to downshift, but yeah, when we're passing cars, it's like I gotta wait forever for him to pick up speed. And we have the same bike, and yes, his is 10 years older, and yes, I did some performance upgrade to mine, but his bike seems like it's really slow. Sorry, shots fired, Ian. Oh, now he's mooning me. See, he could hear me. He's pissed off. Blow by this van real quick. See you later, minivan. No, I'm just kidding. Minivans are cool. I have a minivan and I love it. It's the perfect camping mobile. So shout out to soccer moms and minivans. You guys are the real MVPs.
Kitchen van.
All right, back down the mountain. It's zipped up. So back down we go. Yeah, road's closed too. Come along for the ride, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God, that was a big bump. Woo! Oh, no. No, 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 no.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
No! Oh. I can't believe it, dude. Wow, dude. I came in the corner too hot and just, yeah.
Your back tires started coming out.
Yeah.
That's done.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fucked.
Fuck, man.
So I'm heading back home.
You alright?
Can't tell yet. I got flung. That could have been a lot worse. I crashed my bike. My baby!
Baby. No, it's fine. Totally fine. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh
it's
my
great.
goodness, dude. I still can't believe I feel like one of those new riders that just was overconfident and made a stupid mistake.
What happens? Is this your first crash?
Yep.
Well, you gotta get one under your belt.
That's true. Well, I crashed my bike. I crashed my baby. I'm really freaking sad. You can see we kind of MacGyvered my clutch lever back on just so we can get down the mountain. Yeah, I'm not getting to Portland on this thing. Both my mirrors are broken off. Like the top 10 fins on my engine are broken, and the clutch doesn't engage fully. Obviously, it's just like very sketchily attached on. Oh, I cannot believe I freaking crashed my bike. Something sounds sketchy.
What's that?
Something sounds kind of sketchy. I need to do one secondary look through. I'm like hearing something as my wheel rotates. It's something's hitting it. Does anything look like obnoxiously wobbly or sketchy or anything?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does?
Oh,
No?
no. Same.
Okay. All right. Sounds like my back brake is stuck, maybe. That's coming from my rear, isn't it?
Pick your brake lever up a little bit. Like, try to pull it up. Now roll it. Now push on your rear brake. Your rear sprocket and the rear tire look really straight, so
They look good?
yeah. It's kind of rideable.
It is, yeah. I don't want to do like freeway speeds on this bike. So I made it to this random bar, big bottom bar here in the middle of nowhere, Washington. My bike is super messed up. Can't get it home. I'm getting picked up. I'm getting a trailer to come pick my bike up. The people here at the bar are super nice. Shout out to them. I'm just glad that I'm safe and didn't get too injured. So stay tuned for the rebuild on this bike. Cheers.
Yeah.